Hobby Farm Homestead. Sorry about the lighting. We're in my house right now. Getting dark out, kind of raining. But today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's a collaboration video with 5M Family Homestead, and it's a quick and easy meal, back to school meal type of deal. It's going to be in the crock pot, and it's called a taco chili. And I'm going to go ahead and prepare it. It only takes a couple minutes to prepare, and let's get at it. So all you really need is some salsa. This is just a generic salsa, medium. A can of corn, you know, whole kernel corn, some kidney beans, some black beans, and some chili beans. Crock pot, obviously, and just 2 chicken breasts. And then you also need some taco seasoning mix. So all you have to do is get the chicken in the crock pot. So we'll go ahead. So you just go ahead and put the chicken in raw. You know, it'll be cooked, and you'll shred it up at the end of the cooking process. And what's good about this is you can put it on the night before, and it can cook all night and then all day the next day. And also you can also make fajitas out of it, because it kind of tastes like a fajita mix anyhow with the taco seasoning. So it's good. It's kind of like a 2 meals in one. So I'll go ahead and get all these beans open, and you want to rinse the kidney beans and the black beans, just to get basically the sodium off of them. The chili beans, you obviously leave them together. So I'm gonna go ahead and open all these and get them poured into the crock pot, and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, we're just going to okay, we're just gonna go ahead and drain the corn, the black beans. I'll just put them all in one colander. And kidney beans. I just rinse them off a little bit. Okay, just let them drain for a minute. Okay, now we'll put them in the crock pot. And we'll put the chili beans on top of that. This is super easy to make, guys. And then we'll put the taco seasoning. You know, it's just those packets that you would buy at the supermarket. It's kind of just like a pre-packaged seasoning mix. This is a 38-ounce jar of salsa, so put about half of it in, and it's a chunky salsa. Stir it around a little bit. Smells good already. Also, I put about a cup of water in. And that's it, guys. Put the lid on, plug it in, and turn it on low. Alright guys, that's it. The taco chili is done. It takes me 10 minutes to put that together. You know, you get your 4 cans of beans and corn, the seasoning, the salsa, and a cup of water, and then 2 chicken breasts. That's it. And then, like I said, in the morning I'll shred it up and it'll be ready to eat whenever, whoever gets home first, the kids or the wife or me or whoever. And then what's nice about this meal is, it's good for a couple days. You can make fajitas out of it and all kinds of stuff. So it's really good. But that's it. And like I said, this is a collaboration video with 5M Family Homestead, and I'll put it in a playlist, or they'll put it in a playlist, and they'll leave a link on their channel for you guys to look at it. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this up on YouTube and hashtag it and all that stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll catch you guys later.